Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to block dangerous and deceptive content in Tor browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Dangerous and deceptive content includes phishing websites, scam pages, malware hosting sites, and other harmful content that can steal your personal information or damage your system. Tor browser includes a built-in security feature that helps protect your PC from these threats. So let's get started. First, open Tor browser and then click on triple horizontal line menu in the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Tor settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the security section. Here you will find deceptive content and dangerous software protection. Check this one option that says block dangerous and deceptive content. That's it. From now on, Tor browser will warn you when you try to visit a suspected phishing site, a scam page, or other harmful website. This feature adds an extra layer of protection and helps keep your browsing safe and secure. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.